Hi, I am Vivek Talmani from second year Mechanical Department, KR Technological University, Hubballi. This is view of our project, that is 4-wheel steady state self-balancing board. This board consists of various things like, as you can see, it has a wheel is connected to the motor shaft, which allows it to turn or rotate. It has 4 wheels attached with 4 different motors. Next, this motor is paired with connecting rod, which is connected at the other end of to the servo arm, which is placed or mounted on the side plate of the upper body of the board, which helps in allowing the motion to the arm through which it can move to and fro. So this was about how mechanical system was built or integrated to achieve the out structure of the board. Next, moving to the electrical components, the board consists of Arduino, which is fed with the required input data to the supply. L298 module is also used, which helps in providing external supply to the motors. MPU sensor, which is placed at the center, helps in giving required coordinate, which helps in motion of servo arms as it is gyroscopic sensor. Breadboard is also used to join all circuits to lower the complexity of the wire
Working of the
extenders.
board. Initially, the power supply must be given to L298, before which the required code is fed to the Arduino board, which was written in Arduino programming. Once the after input of the code into Arduino, when the power is supplied according to the given code, all the other components reacts or start to respond based on the input supplied by the Arduino, which are connected through breadboard. In the same way, MPU is also connected to Arduino. The role of MPU. What MPU plays is it helps in finder or weather coordinates of a point in the plane to which is tilted from its initial position, so that these are two phases in which these all motions are the required operator takes place. One is the working movement of motors, which workers are the external supply given to it, and that helps in motion of the bot. Next one, servo motions, which is purely controlled by the MPU sensor according to the obtained.
Let's move on to electrical simulation, which was done in Proteus software. The required components are drawn from taskbar and are connecting with each other, which helps in simulating the electrical circuit, where we can see the required output, that is running of motor.